Everybody has their job, 9 to 5 and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. A little harder. If I love a little harder.
We went head first into the fire, watched the flames rise higher, love. We were burning so damn bright, just like a shooting star turns into dust. All the fighting, all the crying, reality caught up with us. We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done, when all is said and done, we went head first into the waves. We were right there in the eye of the storm. When I look back, I see it clear. I tried but couldn't give you more. You were a great one at the wrong time. I could never give you what you need and deserve. We went head first into the waves until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I hope you think of me with love when all is said and done. When all is said and done. When all is said and
outside, but I won't hear them singing anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. Kids be running around the schoolyard, parents running to the jobs, but I won't see them running anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. Far, far away. From now on I'm MIA. You won't see me anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. Teens be kissing one another, grown-ups kissing someone's wife, but I won't see them kissing anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Far, far away. From now on I'm MIA. You won't see me anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. Far, far away. From now on I'm MIA. You won't see me anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. I would be lying if I said I hated this town, but I just ain't got a reason to stick around. Brothers and sisters, I love you and wish you goodbye, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. Far, far away. From now on I'm MIA. You won't see me anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. You won't see me anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it's
Well, thank you for joining me in Jix's Shed. So there's my little autumnal bowl. Had a lot of fun with this, and gave me a great chance to practice with the Dremel VersaTip. I do feel my technique improved towards the end, but it's the first time I've used it for such a prolonged period. I think I had to refill it about 3 times. But yeah, really pleased with the outcome, and the stains took really nicely as well. There were the chestnut spirit stains, and they just gave a really nice effect, but also really love the grain inside. I did obviously use the Simon Hope mini texturing tools. The effect is a bit subtle to see on the camera, but I will put some stills up at the end. And obviously used cocktail sticks to do the burning rings. Didn't have what I wanted to use for it, or couldn't find it, so cocktail sticks had to do. But yeah, overall pleased. I really enjoyed this. I hope you did as well. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.